Hello, this is Lesson 6. Lesson 6 talks about ability equity, or should certain groups, or do we as a society, treat groups or individuals of people differently based on their ability? For example, do we treat a particular group differently because of their IQ test? Or is the IQ test even an accurate gauge of a reality in modern circumstance? So we'll be looking at, originally, some pretty controversial ideas. We'll be looking at the SAT. Many of you took the SAT as part of your college placement examinations in high school. So there's some inherent problems associated with the SAT and with this question of ability. How do we measure ability? We'll be spending some time talking about the educational framework and educational settings in terms of what's the benefits of mainstreaming students, or should we place students in groups based on their perceived abilities and keep them isolated from a diversity and from a range of ability and perception and thoughts. We will be looking at social justice and why social justice is a counseling concern, and why topics like this is important in the human services setting. We will be looking at some additional information on how to appropriately help clients. Helping clients in the individual setting, one-on-one, or in the educational setting. I have included a significant amount of reading on the bell curve, which is a book that was published 10 to 15 years ago now, that attempted to provide a scientific and research-based methodology for explaining why there were groups, differences in certain groups. And this research was a continuation of some of the social Darwinism ideas that you read about in lesson number 5. This book an idea is extremely controversial, so I've included videos from the actual authors indicating why that they believe that certain groups are naturally selected to be at a higher level of societal functioning than other groups. It's almost, in their view, part of the natural selection process. I've also included videos and an audio clip and other additional reading that totally contradicts this concept of the bell curve. And your journal article for this lesson will be about the bell curve, your understanding of the bell curve, and the implications it could have or may not have if it's true or inaccurate. Most folks believe that in today's modern time of 2013, that the bell curve is a pretty, not only controversial, but incorrect and inaccurate view of society. But we do need to discuss the implications of this research and idea, regardless of its applicability, to be honest, in terms of validity. So we do have a lot to cover this lesson in terms of talking about how society has structured itself with ideas such as the SAT and the bell curve, looking at how individuals with disabilities have been treated in the past and in modern times, and why social justice and topics like this is a concern in the field of human services, counseling, and helping. So I think you will enjoy this week's readings, and let us know if we can provide some assistance. Thank you.